Hey, what's going on? If you are struggling with a cleaning routine, you're going to want to watch this. My name is Amber Swanson, and this is Royalty Cleaning Company's YouTube channel. To dive into 3 tips to help you create your own customized cleaning routine. And grab yourself a pen and a piece of paper, and we're going to dive right in. So, tip number 1 is making a list. Now, the importance of making a list is allowing you to document the tasks, the day, and the time. Now, this information is very important because it's your own personal record. You can go back at any time, but I definitely suggest giving yourself a good solid 7 days to see what you do on a daily basis in regards to cleaning. So once you figure out what you've been cleaning on a daily basis in those time frames, you figured it out, you documented it, which you can do it in a journal. I use my phone's notepad, or you can use a sticky note. Whatever's going to help you go back to look at your record on your documentation. Boom, do that and go from there, because it's going to help you with tip number 2. What's your priority? Tip number 2 is knowing what your priority is. Your priorities intermingle with your expectations and your standards. So standards is something that we've either been taught as children and we brought it into our adulthood, and honestly trying to keep up with those standards doesn't necessarily work with our actual lifestyle now as an adult. We have different lifestyles, we have different personalities, work schedules, all these families, all these things are different now. And so trying to keep up with what we were taught is probably bringing stress to you. So let's change that. Go to your list and see what things you've been cleaning, what days and what times. Now you're able to look at that documentation and say, are these things that I really should be focusing on cleaning? Is it meeting my standards and expectations of a cleanly house? And if it's not, it's time to scratch that mindset, put in new actionable tasks to keep your house clean. Now, tip number 3 is planning ahead. And let's be honest, that's something that the rule of thumb would be to do on a weekly basis. But when you have a busy life like we do, ain't nobody got time for that. So I try to do it the night before, but planning ahead in any shape or form that works best for you is important, because 1, it's going to help relieve a lot of stress. It's going to bring a lot of peace, and you're going to be able to breathe. You're going to be able to balance your work life, your social life, and your family life. All those things need to be balanced. And so if you plan ahead, it's going to help you stay ahead of the game. You know what I mean? So with planning ahead, if you know that you're going to have guests come over for that week, take your list and your best times, incorporate that into your actionable tasks. That's going to benefit you to do simple things every single day to build up to that social event. That way when people come over, they're not like, she got a hot mess house. Do what you can do. And if people come over and they don't appreciate your work, then they shouldn't be in your house in the first place. Let's be honest. So do what you can do to prepare, do what works best for you and your expectations and your standards that you can meet, because your priority is something you're going to make time for. You know what I mean? So with knowing these 3 tips, I got a bonus for you. Now this bonus is adding in 4 actionable tasks. Yes, 4 actionable tasks. This is something that I really suggest and recommend you add into your list. Now, with it being on your list, I really highly suggest and recommend you go to your list and you say, all right, I can do 4 actionable tasks on a daily basis. Let me see what days and what times will work for this, and then plan ahead. But make sure when you're adding these actionable tasks that they align with your expectation of cleanliness, your standards, so that you can make a priority for it. Because whatever your standard is, you keep it at that. You do you, boo-boo, and all you can do is your best. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. And if so, go ahead and like this video and share it with someone else who can definitely benefit too. And if you want to be a part of this community, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every Sunday when our hot new videos will be coming out just for you. All right, make sure you stay tuned to our next video. I'm going to talk about setting up your own customized schedule. Yes, your own customized cleaning schedule. So I'm super excited to share that video with you, and I'll see you soon. Stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.